Ever wanted to play this game? Or maybe this game? Well, you're in luck, because this tutorial will teach you how. Talonado, and so in this video, well, we're going to be showing you how to download those games. So yeah, so the first step is you want to go to Google or whatever web browser. You want to go to my YouTube channel right here. Then you want to go to my about page. Now down here I have a couple different links. So I have games I made, get Lego here, play a fun game here, get cubes here, and 7-Zip. What you need for this tutorial is games I made and 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a program. This doesn't matter. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. It's trustworthy. Don't worry about any pop-ups like this. What you need to do is you need to click on this link. It will probably redirect you to this or whatever. Shut up, Google. And this will have this right here, which is 7-Zip. I don't know if you can see this screen, but it's confirming that I want to change my device. Ooh. Then you want to hit install. And then after it installs, then you should have 7-Zip. Now after you get 7-Zip, then you can start getting my games. So let's go. So I use the Unity game engine right here, and I build my games to work with Windows. So if you're using a different operating system, you can, view my email address. You can email me. I'll specifically build a version for, I guess Mac would be the other one, right? But yeah, I'll build a different version if you want me to, and then I'll send you the link. You can see right here we have my drive, and here's the games right here. I have a Google Docs right here, and this Google Docs is accessed by anyone. You can go on it. This is how to install, download one of the games from my Google Drive. This just redirects you back to that page. Install 7-Zip, that will download it if you don't have it. Locate where the game has been downloaded, blah 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 blah. Right click on a zip and then extract it, and then open the exe. So yeah, we're gonna be downloading. So this is my new game I'm gonna be working on called Evozone, and it's a 2D platformer. And yeah, we also have my first thing. We're going to be showing both of these games, and that's actually the games I showed in the beginning of this video. Those are those games. So yeah, what you want to do is, whatever game you have, this will probably be updated within time, but what you want to do is you want to click on one of my games, and you can either press the download button up here, or you can right click, and then down here near the bottom it says download, and you want to download. And if Google says, oh, can't scan for viruses, my games don't have viruses. They won't have viruses. Why would I put a virus here? I actually have a virus anyways. No, but here is the game right here. Evozone, build 1. So this isn't complete yet, it's in beta. You want to click on this little arrow up here, and then there's this option called Show in Folder. You want to click that. After you click this, it will bring you to where it's located wherever you have your downloaded files. And if you don't press that, normally you have to go to File Explorer, which is that little folder icon. And you have to go, it's default pinned, it's default, by default it's pinned in your quick access downloads, and here's all my downloads, but a bunch of Minecraft data packs, but no. So yeah, here's Evozone, and that's just in your downloads. If you're on a different OS, I guess just check wherever your downloads are. I only did this for Windows because that's the most common OS. Alternatively, you could go to this PC and hit downloads, and you'll go here. Or actually, in Google, if you press Control J, or if you go into here, you also have your downloads. And then you can also click Show in Folder here. There's a lot of ways you can find it. You will find it eventually. Again, if you have any questions, I have my email right here. Email me, whatever. I don't care. I'll respond. You can also follow my Instagram. And if I follow you back, you can ask me a question there too. Whatever. Anyways, here it is. So you want to show us in folder. Now, my games, whenever you get them, it's not going to be just a normal executable that you can just open immediately. It's going to be a .zip file. And if you don't have file extensions, it will just be whatever the game title is. But a zip file is basically a way of taking a lot of data and compressing it into not a lot of data. It's a very stupid explanation, but it's exactly what it is. Basically, it compresses the file. So, right here you can see it says 30,000 kilobytes. Let's see how much that number changes. It's 37 megabytes. Let's see how much that changes whenever I extract it. So what you want to do is, you can close out of Google, you don't need it anymore. I would window this, and then take the thing, just drag it onto the desktop, because it's easier just to do this. So yeah, here is your thing. Now, I would probably recommend making a new folder called, like, games or something. And you should be doing this already. Just make a folder with all your games, or if you want to, like I do, I just pin them on my taskbar. You can also do that. To pin something on your taskbar, you just take this, and then you just drag it in. And then, if it's just a normal executable, and a .exe file, then it will pin it here. If it's like a subfolder, then you can right-click on this, and it will show you all these. But yeah, it's just a way of bookmarking it to get it faster. So yeah, you want to take your games, and you want to put it right there. I'm actually going to keep this on my desktop, because that could be pretty useful in the future. Actually, where I keep all of mine are in built Unity projects, because I'm the developer. So yeah, here's all the stuff. Whatever, here's the .zip file again. So this one's 37. This one is 96. So yeah, it compresses a file, and it makes it a lot smaller, which means downloads are a lot faster, so you guys don't have to wait around or whatever. So yeah, here's the file. What you want to do with this is you want to left click it to highlight it. You can do this even if it's like in a list or something, like if it's in another folder, you can still right click it or left click it. But I'm just going to do it on the desktop. So you want to left click it, so you highlight it, don't rename it, it doesn't really matter, but whatever. Anyways, you want to highlight the game, then you want to right click it. Now, you're going to see a lot of different options, like share with Skype, open with code. This is my stuff. By default, Windows has an extract. Don't use this, it's kind of stupid. I like 7-zip better, so just use 7-zip. The main options here are extract files and extract here, and also extract to. This extract to will delete the zip file and then just like replace it with the actual file. The extract here will take the file and just extract it onto the desktop, so that's useful if you, I don't know, if you have it in a folder and you want to like extract it, but then also take the same file and like share it or something. But what we're gonna use is called extract files. So you wanna go to wherever it says 7-zip. If it doesn't pop up, you might have to restart your operating system, because it might have to like reset or something. Shut up, dog. But you take 7-zip. Ignore the dog. Stupid dog! Wish I was Asian, I could eat you. Anyway, I'm kidding. I guess you could just right click it. Anyways, you want to go locate where it says 7-zip. 7-zip. You want to hit extract files. Now it's going to bring up the scary menu. Don't worry, it's not scary. There's only a couple things you need to worry about. So this is the path in Windows where it's going to extract. So right now it's extracting to the desktop. Hi, cat. Cat. My cat sees a bulb. What is going on with animals? Don't worry about this password. I'm not passcoding, locking them or whatever. I don't care. Share my files. I don't know. Decompile the entire game. Modify it. I don't care. Okay? It's open source. It's an open source game. How does that work? No one knows, does it? But right here, you can see how it says this, and actually, that's a lot of stuff, jeez. Yeah, you can see right here, it has extract 2. So what you want to do is you want to hit these 3 dots in the corner, and now you can choose exactly where you want to extract it. So I'm just going to expand this window so you can see it a bit better. Bloop. So select a location. So you want to probably go to desktop, and then here's mine and stuff. So I'm going to go to desktop, then I'm going to hit games. You have to select the folder, by the way. And after you select what folder you want, right here, so I'm going to choose this games, which is right here. So I'm going to choose games. I'm going to hit OK. Then it's going to take this and it's going to extract everything to here. And after you do all of this, then you want to press OK. And it's going to do its thing. It might take a little bit longer depending on how big the game is. You can now delete this zip file, or if you want to, like I said earlier, share it or whatever, you can keep it. And then I don't know if it's big enough, it's small enough to like email it to someone, but you could probably email someone a link to that Google Drive, or just email to my about page or something. But yeah, now in this new folder, you will have your EvoZone Build 1. And I have subfolders because making zip files is weird. Anyways. Don't worry about all of this shenanigans right here. That doesn't matter. These don't really matter. Although Unity Crash Handler might help if you, I don't know, do something stupid. I want to know what this is. Oh. Open anyway. I don't care. Sure. Text editor. Oh my good gravy. How many lines is this? 149,525 lines. Good. Okay. Anyways. There's all your... Jeez. There's all your stuff. So yeah. Don't worry about all of this. However, whatever you do not highlight, right click, and press this button. Do not delete it. If you delete these, I'll show you what happens actually. If you delete these and you try and open the .exe, which is right here, this is the file I was talking. See, look, data folder not found. See, you can't delete them unless it won't work because it needs this info. So yeah, it's cool. You can make a shortcut though. That would work. If you make a shortcut and then take this shortcut and like paste it on your taskbar or something, then you can open it, and then it's good. So yeah, made with Unity, like I said. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Here's a title screen. This is a work in progress, like I said. There's options. Here's skins. There's no skins yet. Particles. Yes. No. This doesn't do anything yet because I haven't made the particle like stuff. Play game. If you click exit, it will close the application. You can also close the app by pressing Alt F4, like one of your function keys, the row above your normal number keys. That will also close the game. And for my other game I have, you also kind of have to, because I'm an idiot. Anyways, hit play game, and here you go. I should put like controls, like text. I should do that. You know what? It's gonna be updated. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I should make that a different color so it doesn't blend with the background. Yeah. Anyways, you can play the game now. So you can either use the WASD keys or the arrow keys. Both are mapped properly, so you can use both. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, it should work perfectly with no hiccups. I'm just testing to make sure it will. Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can use both. You can use both at the same time if you want to. But yeah, if you press the up arrow, you will jump. If you press it again, you will double jump. If you press left or right, you will move left or right. And currently that is all the controls. More will be added as new features get developed. However, you know, not yet. Because those features have not been developed. Why would I put an input for nothing? Preferably if you're in a big black void, because it works better. You can see, and there's a pause screen. It says resume, and also it says quit. If you press quit, it will bring you back to the title screen. If you press resume, it will bring you back to where you were. And apparently it's lagging really bad. Good. Who? Why is the frame rate so jittery? What the heck? Hello? Is anyone else noticing that? Why is the frame rate so jittery? What the heck? Hello? That must be some kind of a bug. Okay, I gotta track down what's causing that. What the frick? Hello? Anyway. Oh, come on, jump. There you go. Yeah, I made the double jump really floaty in this game because it's fun. But, yeah. Okay, I'm done. But yeah, there you go. This is the current build of this game. So, yeah. As future stuff and things get developed, this will also get developed. Because that's how program work. Yeah. The next release will have a wall jump and maybe better level design and maybe a death plane and maybe cleaned up animations. And it should also probably have like some kind of a, some kind of a skin, I think I know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna have like a thing that says, oh, if the player has pressed this, then whenever you load this, you want to have this, or something. I don't know. I'll put like a parent object that's like empty, but then have an empty object, and then have like all of the different skins. And then whenever you choose one of the skins from the menu, it will load that instead of any other one. Yeah, I could do that. That'd be good. And then for the particles, I need to work out like save games and stuff, and I need to come up with like, I need to look up some more tutorials on how to do that, because it's very confusing. I get some of the code here, like I made it so if you press R, you will respawn at a checkpoint, so that's fun, and it looks really cool with the trail. just realized. Shoom, 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 shoom. Whoa, hold on. Wait, you can jump in. What? The hello? Okay. I guess pressing respawn doesn't disable double jump. That's actually perfectly fine because there's no instance where that would affect anything. So that's perfectly fine. So as long as there isn't a bug where like the checkpoint spawns in some random position that could have an advantage by doing a double jump right after respawning, everything's good. So yeah. Oh yeah, this game is going to be focused on speedrunning, by the way. It's not developed fully yet. This is a temp. It would be a lot better whenever it's finally finished. But yeah, right now it's in development. It's in beta, you know. So yeah, if you guys download and then comment on this video or like, I don't know, give me feedback somehow, you know, from social media or just commenting on like a video or something, it'd be appreciated. So yeah. Other than that, there's about nothing else. So yeah. Oh yeah, my other game, the 3D like forward pulsing one, I used the Unity like default like starter package like forward pulsing character controller, because I kept trying to make one myself and following the tutorial, and then it just did not work at all, literally in the slightest. So I chose to give up, and yeah, not fun, but whatever. Oh yeah, if you want to get out of the pause screen without pressing resume, you can press escape, and it'll bring you back. Oh yeah, to pause the game in the first place, you press P to pause. And you have resume and quit. So I'm going to quit, and I'm going to hit exit. And yeah, there you go. And I'm going to unpin this from my taskbar. And also delete this. But yeah. Either way, there you go. So yeah. Once again, I used the Unity game engine right here. Here's Unity Hub. And here's EvoZone. This is the game in Unity. So yeah. Here's all of the stuff I have. Apparently have a corrector that needs to go into my scripts. Oopsies. Yeah. Here you go. Essentially. Yep. Okay. So here's the test level. This is Player Plus. Has Player with all of its playing stuff. And it has scripts, which is actually not scripts. So I should probably rename that to pause. Anyways. Yeah. You have the event system, whatever. We have the spawn point. This is what I was talking about earlier. Here's the spawn point. So yeah, this will be different for every level. And then the whole level, here's all the walls. Quite a bit of them. Apparently there's 53. 55? Yeah, 55. Apparently there's 55. 56. Wait. I don't know how many walls in there are. There's a lot. Yeah, there's, here she is. There is everything. Right there. So yeah. And if you want to very quickly look at one of my scripts here. Well, not one of my scripts. Well, kind of one of my scripts. So I did some of this. But who cares? Anyways. Here it is. It's only 75 lines apparently, but that's gonna increase quite a bit. Well, probably not by a lot whenever I add the wall jump. But yeah. Either way, that is all the video. So yeah. Tornado, signing out. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I upload. I got really mad for a second because someone is singing in the background.